Hello, you are watching our instructional overview of how to dump the black and gray water tanks for the Sprinter van. So for our videos, we have a little QR code that'll take you to the YouTube site that has a number of videos that we hopefully find helpful as part of your rental. Step one is making sure you find an appropriate dump site. If you take this to a couple of campsites, oftentimes they will have access for you, so it's probably easier to dump on your way back or before you depart. Otherwise, there is Mike's LP and gas service that for $4 and open 24 hours a day. They have a drop window. You can drop cash in the window. They take checks as well, I believe. Don't quote me on that one. You can give them a call if you have questions. They're about 20 minutes southwest of our RV storage location, so easy, convenient to get at. So when you pull up into their space, you want to make certain that your access panel, which is on the driver's side of the vehicle, is facing the drop port. So make sure that's available. To access it, there's the panel. One of the latches on the left, you'll turn clockwise. The one on the right, you'll turn counterclockwise to access this panel. Remember that through all these instructions, you'll make sure you're always dumping the black first. That's the sewage lines, and the gray lines, which is coming from the sink and shower lines, that is used to clear out the pipe afterwards. So you pull this waste hose out, place it, or if you have a second person to help you, can aim it right above that spot. Once it's ready to start dumping, make certain you open this valve. Let's see, place hold and open the red valve, and then once it's in position, you'll use the rocker switch to open the black valve, and then you turn on the waste pump, and that'll start with the draining of the black water. This little light will flash when that's open, as well as the waste pump line. I believe this light, that might not be quite there, but you'll hear the pump going for sure. Then when you're done, turn off the pump, close the black valve on the switch, then you move over to your gray valve, press that rocker switch again, flip back on the waste pump, and continue with the exiting of the gray water from your tanks. Once you're completely done, turn off the waste pump when it's completed, close your red valve on the drainage line, and then you can use the reel retract button here. They'll start pulling the hose back into position. Make certain that gets all the way back in here. I can't remember whether it goes all the way in or if it's just on the edge. Just make certain it all fits back in there so you can close the compartment. You shouldn't have to force anything. And remember, when you're closing the hatches, now you're going to be using on the left side, it's a counterclockwise twist, and on the right one is clockwise. Sometimes these cords can get a little tight in there, so it might be a little bit of resistance, so you shouldn't have to force it. You just need to push the door closed and then make sure you're going the right way with the closure. And we should be including some disposable gloves for you as well, so you can just toss those. And that's it for making the dump of the wastewater. Thanks for watching.